How to know who blocked you on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, TikTok does not give you the feature or option to see all of those who blocked you in a list. However, there are a solution and some things that you can do in order to see who blocked you. So let's go through them. Go ahead and open up TikTok. And the first thing that you need to do is you need to search for that person's, and what you will see is that the profile of that person does not appear on your account right here. However, if you used another account and search for it, it will appear normally. This is the first indication that that person has blocked you. Now, the second indication is if you have any messages or chats, maybe you had a conversation with that person, you can simply navigate to your inbox section, and what you will see is that you will see that the account of that person is not available. As you can see, it says account not found. However, it does exist with another account other than this one. So maybe if you looked for it using another account, you will see that it's there. However, on your account, it says it was not found. And as you can see, even if you visited the page, it will give you something like this. So this is just a blank account. There's no following, followers, or anything, no post, and it says account not found. That this is a clear indication that that person has blocked you. And as I said, unfortunately, there's no way for you to see all of your uh, people who blocked you in a single list as of right now. So you just have to do it manually, and maybe in the future, TikTok will be able or can provide such option. So that was it for this video. That's how you can see and check who blocked you on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.